What a beauty, just arrived in. It is absolutely fabulous and a very, very rare example. Very high spec, this one. Ford Fiesta EcoBoost 1 litre turbo ST Line X. This one's also got around £1,300 worth of factory options, magnetic grey metallic, 2023 on a 73 plate with just 6,927 miles. What a beauty. This has also got the optional Sync 3 with the navigation, reverse parking sensors. As I mentioned, they are a very, very high spec. It is just fabulous. Automatic, so 1 litre turbo, 125 brake horsepower. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how beautiful this car is. It is absolutely gorgeous. Magnetic grey, petrol hybrid. Good size boot on these Fiestas. Benefits with the split folding rear seats, nice and clean, not been abused. Toolkit all there complete, including the locking wheel bolt. All the loading area, all unmarked, undamaged. It's got the rear parking sensors. As I mentioned, this has also got the reverse camera, which was an option on the vehicle. Privately owned. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no dings. As you would expect. All the wheels totally unmarked. Of course, with the tyres, plenty of tread on those. Rear privacy glass. All down the sides. Again, the near side wheel, all absolutely perfect. Across the front, lovely and clean. All across the lower parts. Absolutely not seen any stone chips or any marks across the front. It's almost like brand new. And this is why we do the videos, to give you a full close-up so you know exactly what you're getting, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Again, the driver's wheel, all absolutely perfect and unmarked. All down the sides. And the final wheel and tyre, all as new. Beautiful inside. Got the part leather upholstery. Nice attention to detail there with the stitching on there. And that's like an Alcantara material there. Very, very nice indeed. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells in the vehicle. Keyless entry, keyless go. Press that, locks the car. Just walk to the car. It opens up, you're in there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Bit of additional storage there. Driver's seat, as you would expect. No damage, all perfect. Beautiful flat bottom leather steering wheel. Heated as well, that's a heated steering wheel. $6,927 is the miles. Serviced by Ford twice. Last one was just about 300 miles ago. As I mentioned, keyless start. Great sound system. Nice big screen across there. Shows everything very, very clearly. All touchscreen. Which got the navigation. Zoom into the map. Various apps on there. All the settings, sound, clock, Bluetooth, phone, driver assist, vehicle details, scroll across, Wi-Fi, emergency, Apple CarPlay. So all great features. Reverse camera, as I mentioned, which was an option. Coming down there, you got climate control, and looking a bit closer, so you've got heated seats, both front heated seats, heated steering wheel. So when you get them cold days, you certainly keep warm with the heated seats and the heated steering wheel. Of course, the auto box, drive, low range, straightforward on that. You've got drive modes as well. Come across the screen there. Normal, eco, sport, back to normal. So again, you can just get that exactly how you want it. Full display on the dashboard there with various different menus. Nice clear menu in front of you there, which is all controlled by that there. Cruise control, speed limiter, stereo volume, voice activation, navigation.
Navigation. You can say things such as find an address, find a junction, or find the POI.
Petrol station.
The navigation system is still loading. Please try again later.
So there you go, you've got voice activation, which just makes it easier to get directions, to ring somebody, change radio stations, making it very safe to drive. All the trims, absolutely beautiful all the way around. Of course, you've got USB just down there, and there as well. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, a complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal. Apply direct off our website. It is very quick, it is very easy. Right, if you fancy this car, 2 o'clock in the morning, hit that reserve button. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described when you come to see it, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. But with the videos, you know exactly what you're getting. And this is why we go to such detail to ensure nothing is hidden from you. You know exactly what you're getting. Click a reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent, or we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that applies. Additional costs do apply, but we can deliver that to your doorstep if you fancy it and don't fancy coming up to Stoke-on-Trent or down to Stoke-on-Trent, depending on where you are. Specialist Cars established since 1997, that's 28 years. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans' reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Any further information, please give me a call on 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.